In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your resume to a Google site. This process is straightforward and can really enhance your online presence by making your professional information easily accessible and neatly presented. Whether you're prepping for job applications or just want a sleek, professional way to showcase your work, this is a great skill to have. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to navigate to Google Sites. This is Google's tool for creating websites, and you can get there by simply heading to the Google site homepage. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged into your Google account to access all available features. Being logged in is crucial because it ties your effort here to your personal or professional Google ecosystem, allowing for easy integration with services like Google Drive and Docs. Once you're on the Google Sites page, you'll notice various options for editing and adding content. Today, we're focused on incorporating your resume, so let's steer towards that goal. Look for the Insert tab on the right-hand side of your dashboard. The Insert tab is like your toolbox. It's where you can find everything you need to add different elements to your site. Click on the Insert tab, and you'll find a plethora of options to incorporate various types of media and documents into your web page. For our current task, we need to either connect to your Google Drive or directly access Google Docs, as these platforms are where your resume likely resides. If your resume is already stored in Google Docs or Google Drive, inserting it is a snap. You'll want to select the Drive or Docs option. These are usually right at the top of the list. After clicking on Drive or Docs, a window will open with your files. Simply locate your resume file. If you're sifting through your Google Drive and having trouble finding it, remember you can always use the search bar at the top of the window to quickly locate any file. Found it? Fantastic. Now just click on your resume file to highlight it, and then select Insert in the bottom right corner of the window. Google Sites will automatically integrate your resume into your site, placing it within the draft for you to move and customize as needed. Take a moment to preview this change. If it doesn't quite fit into your site's layout, you can drag and drop the resume to a location that suits your style better. And with that, you're done. You've successfully added your resume to your Google site. This simple addition can significantly enhance the professional vibe of your site and make it easier for visitors to access your vital career information. If you have any questions or run into any snags while following along, feel free to replay this video and take it step by step at your own pace. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps you craft a polished and professional online presence.